To die in such a way, and simply to be born again, a thing of terrifying strength, a bringer of bewitching pain, and blood to become the drug I need. Will blood fulfill the thirst in me, the thirst that sends them to their graves, the thirst for that which I now